Laws.com Legal Forms Guide.
Articles of Organization LLC sample. This form is only a sample and cannot be filed in this form. Applicants should hire an attorney to help with the form, and all forms need filed electronically with the Secretary of State. Only use this form if you're forming an LLC. Step 1. Provide the name of the limited liability company in Part 1 of this form. The name of the company needs to include the phrase Limited Liability Company, LTD period, Liability Company, Limited Liability CO period, LTD period Liability CO period, Limited, L period C period, LLC period, or LTD period. Regard Section 7-90-601 CRS for more information. Step 2. Provide the principal address for the limited liability company in Part 2. If the mailing address is different from the street address, provide the mailing address as well. If the mailing address is the same, leave the section blank. Step 3. Provide the name of the registered agent in Part 3. If the registered agent is an entity, leave the first section blank and provide the name of the entity on the second line. Provide the street address for the registered agent. If the mailing address is different, provide the mailing address as well. Make sure to check the box in Part 3 as well. The box states the registered agent has agreed to such a position. Step 4. Provide the name of the person or entity forming the limited liability company in Part 4. Provide the mailing address for the person or entity as well. If the limited liability is being formed by more than one person, check the box in Part 4 and provide an attachment with their information. Step 5. Make sure to check a box in Part 5. If the management of the LLC is controlled by one or more managers, check the first box. If the management is vested in the members, check the second box. Check the box in Part 6. If additional sheets are attached to this form, check the box in 7. Step 6. If the effective date of this form needs delayed, provide a date in Part 8. Otherwise, leave the link blank. Provide the name and address of the person responsible for delivering this form in Part 9.
To watch more videos, please make sure to visit laws.com.